700 exercise number 17 1 half dictation speed 90 to 100 start. When some time ago, when we were giving a little thought to the strange nature of time, we let ourselves take some comfort from the certainty that at least we knew that each day was made up of 24 hours full stop. A day, we lightly stated, had in it just 24 hours, never 23 and never 25 full stop. But were we right in thinking that we knew this to be the case? Question mark. Perhaps not, for when the expert comes along, her informs us that a day lasts 48 hours and at the same time does not exist at all, full stop. We open our eyes a little wider with surprise and ask, how can such things be? Question mark. And we are given a quite simple reason, full stop. Para. As we all learned at school, our earth is always turning away from the west, and the nearer a place is to the east, the earlier is the hour of day break at that place, full stop. If, for example, we were living in a country at a point on the earth where the distance round the world is as great as it can be, and we were to leave that country and go to another country which is, let us say, a little over 1000 miles more distant round the world, we would find that day break was an hour earlier in our new home than it had been in our old home, full stop. If we moved only 500 miles towards the east, we would find the difference to be only half an hour, and if we moved only 50 miles, we would find the difference to be as little as 3 minutes, full stop. If we look at a table of lightning up times, we note that these times differ widely for different parts of the same country, full stop. But long ago, before the present age with its planes and TV, men found that any form of exchange between nations was made very difficult when there is no order in the method of stating the time in different parts of the world, full stop. So, to make it possible for anyone in any part of the world to know just what time it was in any other part of the world, the following closure was agreed upon, full stop.